Good morning, I'm back. This is Diamond, and today it's a beautiful day in California, and we have 88 degrees, and yesterday is 100 degrees. So I think the fall is coming, and yeah, very exciting. But California is always have wildfire during this season. So pray for us, for the Californians, to be safe, and pray for those people that lost their house. Thanks to all my subscribers who subscribe my channel. And this morning, I'm going to unbox on my new toy. I got this toy 3 days ago, Friday, but I never got a chance because it's Friday, it's the weekend, and all the family were at home. So I give my chance to wait a little bit in the week so that I have time to open it for you guys to see. Do I have the strength to open this? Whoop. Yeah. There you go. Oh, look at that. Somebody smashed my toy. So today I'm going to open this box, which is all smashed. You see this? It's my moment. My tiny lens for my camera. So it's interesting why it's shaped like that. And I hope this is not broken. Okay, it's okay. Yep. And so here's the card. Say, let's get started. Yep. It's beautiful. And a line dash on the lens and side of the case. Press lens in. So this is the instruction of how you're gonna put in the case to it. So I already bought a case and the attachment for the lens to my camera. Okay, and then they have a pouch. Yeah, see that? Cute. And then, oh, what's this? Cover. Yes, a cover. And here comes, oops, there's the hood. Very tiny, and it's pretty. And then there's the lens. See the lens inside? Yep, there's a foam that protects the lens. And here it is. Yep, here. So that's the tiny lens of moment. It's heavy. Oh wow. Can't believe it's heavy. It's macro, 10 times macro moment lens. Seattle, USA, 35 millimeter. It's the same with my 35 millimeter for my Nikon Z6 lens, the prime. And this is very tiny. Oh my goodness, look at see. Perfect! That is so cute. You see it? Oh. Yeah. It's pretty cool. I'm surprised it's very heavy. I mean, it's not very heavy, but it's not plasticky. Huh, that's pretty awesome. And so it's beautiful. My box is broken. This is 25mm M series, but in the lens it says, oh yeah, it's 25, it's not 35. I'm sorry. Yeah, my eyes is not good anymore. But yes, it's 25mm, it's not 35. Pretty awesome. Okay. So now we're gonna try to our phone. So I'll take this old case, and then this is iPhone 12 Pro Max. See? Okay. I'm using iPhone 12 Pro Max, and then we'll put our moment lens to this, you know, that one, the first one, the second one. Okay. Like this, and then you twist like that. So that one, so see. Okay, and now you can put your phone. See, I'm so careful because my lens, I put cover on it, and I thought it will not fit to my case, but apparently it able to fit there. Okay, so there you go. Nice, huh? Yep. So more information about the lens, there's a lot of people explain the features of this tiny lens, and I'm not much into the technical, but I'm sure you're gonna go to other YouTubers that explain very well to the this tiny lens. But it's pretty interesting because it's so small compared to the regular lenses of our big cameras. It's so tiny, it's so cute. Okay, let's see. So you see it? Okay, like that. Well, upside down, and you put really close, macro 10 times. Not pretty awesome? And then here you go. You see. So I can't wait to play this outside, and I'm really try my best to have patience to wait for this day for the unboxing. Okay. So that's it. That's all of it. I don't know what to say, and thank you so much for this time, for watching me unboxing my little moment, little lens, and it's so cute. And I hope everyone have an experience, because phone is always easy to bring anywhere, and if you have this tiny one, if you're killing time somewhere, then you can just grab it and put it in your case and find some little bugs around. And thank you so much, guys, and I hope you have a great day. Be happy and be content. Bye, guys.